Honor also took the opportunity to introduce the new Honor Watch 5 in conjunction with its new Magic 7 series. This watch has a very Apple-inspired design, so let me tell you about its capabilities and features. Its screen is AMOLED with a diagonal of 1.85 inches and resolution of 450 by 390 pixels with a refresh rate of 60 Hz, which for a watch is obviously a good thing. It has a weight of 35 grams and has a case with an aluminum alloy with a reinforced polymer fiber to be able to have this lightweight. In addition, we will also find different types of straps, some leather, some silicone. It also includes GPS to be able to position yourself and plot your routes, and obviously all the basic monitoring system that you would require, like step count, also heart rate, blood oxygen levels, stress, everything that has to do with sleep. It's also able to detect some potential risks related to the health of your heart, but simple, like premature beats and things like that. It has IP level 68 resistance against water and dust. It also supports eSIM and Bluetooth 5.2 plus NFC, although we'll have to wait if it's introduced globally whether they keep NFC to be able to make mobile payments or not. It also offers a fat reduction assistant with artificial intelligence that will supposedly give you some diet plans and help you track your calorie deficit. It's available in a good variety of colors at an advertised price for China of 999 yuan. That's roughly $140. Honor so far has not distributed with much variety its smartwatches throughout the world, but let's wait and see if this watch will have a global launch or not, which would surely have to be alongside the launch of the Honor Magic 7 globally.